Following is an ACT reading passage question that is asking us for the meaning of a very particular word in context. In this case, it's the word sorrel nag. It occurs right at sentence 50 here. My master, in a few words, made a very gracious reply, allowed me the space of 2 months to finish my boat, and ordered the sorrel nag, my fellow servant, for so at this distance I may presume to call him, to follow my instruction, because I told my master that his help would be sufficient, and I knew he had a tenderness for me. This, of course, in the passage of, in the context of the master potentially suggesting another companion to help the servant in his travel to a foreign land, away from the land of the Houyhnhnms, or however you pronounce that. Well, if it's a servant, it can't be a tool. We're talking about a person or animal here. So it's either going to be, the horse, the master, or the narrator. It can't be the narrator, because the narrator is the person talking about, the person receiving the thing from his master. It's in the first person here. We've got personal voice. So the narrator will have his own servant, my fellow servant. It can't be himself. And it can't be the master. The master is staying behind, and in the context of the passage, the master is there to see him off. So it's got to be something else. And the only answer choice you're left with here is a red horse. And it turns out to be the case that sorrel is a very distinctive type of red that has been used to refer to the color of a type of horse for a very long time. A synonym for the color of horse here is chestnut, and it is apparently more common in many parts of the state to say a chestnut colored horse. Nag is a very old word for horse. You didn't necessarily need to know that, but there was an off chance that you knew the color, and you should definitely be able to cross out each of the other answer choices, and a red horse is the correct answer here. Sorry about the obscurity of this answer choice, but you will see weird things like this on the actual test. So it's here for just practicing when you don't know the word, specifically what to do. I hope that helped, and happy prepping.